Dota na lang.
Dota naman? Mga ba? Diba? Anak nila.
Oh, nice one.
Sige pa!
B-boy mo.
Ano yung 1 on 5? Titingnan mo naman.
Oh!
Titingnan mo naman. What did I do? Held the... You see? They're on shy. Ching dong! Ching dong! Post ka muna. I encourage them.
They must change ano by themselves. No.
Oh shit, base!
Video, sige! Ang dami na!
Ilang base? Perfect naman. Hindi kaya? Yung matakas mo.
Yeah! Rihanna! Rihanna!
Move! Move your ass! Oh, get my back.
Oh, routine! Ah! Oh, shit.
Ayun yung ginawa nila sa ano
Oh.
Sa burrito. Why?
Yeah. Ay, lot.
Oh.
Then 5-yard crew, right? 5-yard crew.
Wait, don't move that.
Animal blue peel.
Right, John? Oh, come on, takbo! Here we go!
Sarap kakainin!
Oh, shit!
Oh, yeah! Eh, what event is this? Naghanap po din yung may ponyo ko. Oh! Ano kayo? Ito pala! Yeah, B-boy Marco! Cousin of, Jesse. B-boy Jesse!
Is it you now? You in now?
Boom them. Let's move it now.
Scare kids, go. Bully kids, the 5-yard thing. 5-yard thing.
Shut the fuck up! Respect the MC!
Where's your brother?
Ay! Lumuha na? Eh!